2019 was a phenomenal year for Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. For the very first time, we sold over 5,000 cars. That's plus 20% compared to 2018. And I think we have seen record growth all over the world in all markets. The reason for the success in 2019 was due to unprecedented demand for all our cars, Phantoms, Ghost, Wraith and Dawn. But in particular, we have seen a great uptake on Cullinan, our SUV, and this car has seen unprecedented growth in all markets worldwide. Bespoke and Black Badge are both heavy contributors to the success in 2019, very much on the back that we have seen lots of particularly younger clients coming to the brand on the back of a very successful Black Badge introduction. We have seen unprecedented demand last year, and that was of course met by our people here building these magnificent masterpieces, and they have stood up to deliver far more cars coming down the line than ever before in history of this great company here, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars in Goodwood. 2019 was particularly in the United States a very successful year of us. Again, the United States has proven to be the #1 market in the world for Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. China played a significant role in achieving our record sales result in 2019. The country has seen again a record year and is now #2, slightly behind the United States, and has seen a dramatic growth, particularly in the last year. Our home market also plays a significant role in our worldwide strategy, as you can imagine, and has seen again a record year in 2019, also very much backed by excellent Cullinan sales. Der deutsche Markt hat sich sehr, sehr erfreulich für Rolls-Royce Motor Cars entwickelt und auch 2019 war wieder ein sehr, sehr gutes Jahr für uns, ein Rekordjahr in der Geschichte Rolls-Royce in Deutschland und ich freue mich sehr, dass insbesondere der Cullinan so erfolgreich in Deutschland gewesen ist. The Middle East plays an important role in our worldwide portfolio of markets, if I may say so, and has been a cornerstone for our success again this last year. Canada developed very pleasingly for us last year in 2019, very much on the back of Cullinan. I think Cullinan was basically made for the Canadian market and has proven to be very successful. Japan is a major cornerstone in our worldwide strategy and has developed very nice last year, very much on the back of a successful Cullinan introduction into this market. Korea is a very important market in our entire Asia strategy and has proven to be again a very, very strong market for Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, very much on the back of a successfully introduced Cullinan.
you.